Hi everyone, welcome to New Finance and another video on ETC Ethereum Classic. In this video, I want to talk a little bit about the price action that's been going on today with ETC, having it stabilize at $114, close to which is around 80, 83, 81 to 83 pounds. Having considered that it's dropped its volume by a half, and close to 50% in the last 24 hours. Stay tuned for that one. We're also going to be doing some technical analysis, going through some support lines and resistance that's going to be coming up in the next month or so, which is going to be relevant for the next month or so. And then I've got two news articles that's talking about the future of ETC and what's to come in the next month or so as well. And also to finish it off, we're going to do some price predictions and what may happen with the price in the short term if you're a trader, and if you want to hold this as an investment as well in the long term and as well. So just before we begin, this is not financial advice, but just my opinion and what I am doing with my money and what I am thinking, and my thought process behind my decisions with ETC. So just to begin with, we're going to talk about a little bit about the price action today. So ETC is trading currently at 113, close to $114. It's nicely I would say it's a sideways. It's been going sideways for the last few hours at least, and it's market dominance around 0.56, and currently ranked at 16th in the market cap. And moving on to the technical analysis, I've drawn these three resistance and support lines. So the top one being which was set by the nice all-time high that we hit on Thursday of $175, which I was surprised that it was beaten. We beat the 150 all-time high that was set just one day previously to that. And that, as you guys can see, the volume that is coming in on these 2 days just explains the high price action that we've had during these past 2 days. Okay. The first one, being this resistance line that we're going to be looking at closely. So if ETC goes above this, I'm backing it easily to cross $200 easily, and also another support line that is at the moment, as you can see, is very critical, and it's holding by a thread at this point, is at this 110 mark, which is also a Fibonacci retracement. If we put there, is around 50% here. From its all-time high, not from its all-time high. So so at this point, I wouldn't. At this point, it's a lot. It's gonna be a lot of sideways action from here onwards, and you just gotta watch it. And if it is gonna break this resistance, this support line, or if it's going to go up towards this high resistance that we've set for ourselves. So this lowest. The next line that I would be looking at, if it does break this support line here at $110, is around $90 per Ethereum Classic here. And at this level, we've traded well above it for a long time, so I would say this will be a very strong support here. So anything below 110 will be supported, it will have heavy support at 90 and above. So currently here, I would say if you're trading, it's very dangerous to make a decision to sell or buy here without having real data to back your next move, whether it's going up or down. So I would say just wait for the next move, and then make your decision accordingly. So if it's going down, you know that you'll have to wait around $90. The potential is that it's going to hit $90 before it does go up. But if it does start picking up and beats this local resistance here at 131 or 120 or 150, the likelihood is that it might shoot back up to towards its all-time high. Then moving on to the news regarding ETC. So an article from FX Street by Dawina Mehta. Sorry if I butchered that name, but credit to you for this analysis that she's made on ETC, and kind of brought some backing for its price action today. Um, so it kind of talks about where the fundamentals behind today's price action for ETC, how the range that we are holding on to dear life at the moment is at that zero point 0.5 Fibonacci retracement here. So and the next support according to the Fibonacci retracement from 110 will be around 94. So once again, if we do break that 110 dollar mark, then the next support level according to Fibonacci retracement will be around $94 here. So going on to this talks about the rise of ETC, and how some people sort of maybe buying ETC because they think it's a cheaper version of Ethereum. How having missed perhaps the boat for Ethereum itself, and I think it's just another investment. As long as the market is moving towards the direction you're moving, you're likely to be making money, regardless of the fundamentals of why an asset is increasing in price. So I would say it's balancing the mass movement and also the fundamentals as well, because we live in a time where mass movement can disregard fundamentals and move to wherever people want to move the market, as long as there's demand and supply for an asset that you choose. So it talks also about additional levels to watch, and because if you are going into Ethereum Classic at the moment, it is very overpriced compared to previous prices. So a weekly low of around $41. So if you consider that in a long-term perspective, the current prices are very high. But then if you look into the long time or in the near short-term future of ETC, or where it's going to go if it does move up, then the prices that we've got now are pennies, and I think you can easily double your money from where it is now if you invest. Um, so the next one, talks again about a little bit about the irrational investments that are being made into Ethereum Classic, and how compares it to Dogecoin and how it's a frenzy maybe. But I would say no, this can be wrong. To make an argument against that is that Ethereum is predicted to hit 10,000 soon, $10,000, and imagine how much attention that's going to bring into Ethereum Classic, disregarding all the fundamentals, just um, um, just applying that, and where the mindset of people are going to be in the next few months, where the if the price of Ethereum hits 10,000, it will be huge for Ethereum Classic, because people would have, some people like to own a whole coin, and they might not, have enough money to afford a whole Ethereum. And imagine the number of people that are going to be wanting to own an Ethereum Classic because they can't own Ethereum, and Ethereum is doing so well at the time. So if you're a short-term trader, that is going to play into your hands where Ethereum Classic will go higher, and if you are invested into it at the moment, at that time you can sell with big profits. So once again, none of this is financial advice. Everything said here is my opinion and my thought process behind why I am interested in ETC, and why I think it will do well in the coming months if the whole market keeps moving towards the upside that it has been moving in the past few months. And also it's very tied up to Ethereum and where Ethereum goes from here, and the potential for Ethereum is huge. For it to, its next price target by analysts have been set at 10,000. So if you do the maths, each if Ethereum goes to 10,000, and this Ethereum Classic follows it in the same fashion, Ethereum Classic could be worth easily $500 when Ethereum hits 10,000. So you're gonna 5 times your money from now on. So once again, so if you're not you haven't got skin in the game at the moment, I would say watch these levels, watch where it goes, be patient. It might move up, it might move further down, and once it is supported by these lines, then I would say it's a nice level to buy and hold. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe as well, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Leave a comment about if you are in, or if you're looking to invest into ETC, and if you got any skin in the game, and if you bought it at $6 or so, then good on you. As well, leave us a like and give us some hope that there is some hope. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.